They call Nigeria the giant of Africa, and for a good reason. But here's the truth. When Nigeria wakes up, Africa wakes up. And when Lagos rises, Nigeria follows. Right now, Lagos is not just rising, it's transforming. This city is building the future. A future where the whole of Africa is waiting for. Massive road, mega bridges, game-changing developments, all under construction. In this video, we'll review 10 monumentary infrastructure projects shaping Lagos in 2025. Projects that are not just rewriting the story of Africa's most dynamic city. Number 1 on our list, the Quality Bus Corridor Project, QBC. This is one of Lagos' bold move to tackle traffic congestion and improve public transportation. The QBC projects are creating modern, dedicated BRT corridor across the city, with upgraded terminals, priority lane for buses, pedestrian pathway, street lighting, and smart traffic management system. When completed, this corridor will drastically reduce travel time, improve safety, and give Lagosians a faster, cleaner, and more reliable way to move around the city. Right now, work is ongoing, from road resurfacing to building new bus shelter and installing modern drainage system. Every milestone brings Lagos closer to a world-class integrated transport network that can compete with any major city on the continent. This is not just a road project, it's a total transformation of how Lagos move. Number 2 on our list, 2 game-changing projects, the Mile 2 Interchange and the Marina Interchange. First, Mile 2 Interchange, a massive reconstruction project designed to eliminate one of Lagos' busiest traffic bottleneck. This interchange will separate local BRT and highway traffic, reducing chaos and improving the flow of vehicles heading towards Apapa, Festac, and Badagry. It's also designed with pedestrian bridges, service lane, and proper drainage, meaning safer and faster journey for millions of commuters daily. Next, the Marina Interchange, right at the heart of the Lagos Island, where the Blue Line Rail, BRT, and ferry terminals will converge. This is the future of seamless travel in Lagos. One location where you can step off the train, catch a bus, or hop in on a ferry, all without battling with the city traffic, is a key piece of the Lagos intermodal transport dream. Both projects are under active construction right now, with heavy equipment, piling work, and road realignment already in motion. When completed, they will completely transform mobility across the city, cutting commute time, reduce gridlock, making Lagos a more connected, efficient, and investor-friendly city. These are not just transport upgrade, these are the backbone of a modern Lagos that works. Number 3 on our list, the Mendi Ojota Link Bridge, one of the most anticipated road projects in Lagos. This project is a game changer for connectivity on the mainland. For years, commuters from Ikeja, Obebi, and Allen Avenue have struggled with traffic gridlock, especially when heading towards Ojota or the Lagos-Ibadan Express. This link bridge will finally provide a direct, free-flow connection from Obebi through Mendi to Ojota by passing the chaotic bottleneck of Maryland and Mobolaji Pankantoni Way. Construction is already underway, almost at the finishing stage. When completed, this bridge will cut travel time by up to 30 minutes during peak hour, open up new business corridors, and raise property value in the area. This bridge isn't just a bridge, it is a lifeline that will decongest one of Lagos' busiest corridor and keep the city moving efficiently. Number 4, Eko Atlantic City. What is Eko Atlantic City? A mega urban development being built on a reclaimed land from the Atlantic Ocean off Victoria Island, Lagos. It's designed as a modern, planned city with commercial, residential, retail, business, and tourist zones. It is protected by a gigantic sea defense wall, commonly called the Great Wall of Lagos, meant to guide against erosion, ocean surge, and flooding. This is an official report on the project as of 2025.
Eko Atlantic has successfully completed over 80% of the land reclamation and is now moving into the next phase of its land reclamation efforts with the commencement of Phase 5. The sand filling process for this new phase starts following the successful completion of Phase 4 and extends into the designated areas of the city. The recent arrival of the TSHD Bonny River, a high-capacity trailing suction hopper dredger, supports this effort by replacing the TSHD Bradell. The Bonny River significantly enhances operational efficiency, boasting with an average delivery capacity of 9,000 to 10,000 cubic meters of sand per trip, in contrast to TSHD Bradell's 7,000 cubic meters. The TSHD Bonny River measures about 158 meters long and 30 meters wide, featuring a maximum draft of 10 meters designed for speed, scale, and sustainability. Meanwhile, the development of infrastructure and building construction is progressing steadily across phases 1 to 4. This ambitious, privately funded project was launched to protect the low-lying areas of Victoria Island and Lekki from the encroaching Atlantic Ocean, which once posed a significant environmental threat. An extensive EIA, Environmental Impact Assessment, of the dredging and reclamation works conducted by Haskoning is accessible on our website. Over 300 investors have committed to the project, including major global corporations such as MTN, Airtel, and First Bank. The United States Consulate, the largest consulate in the world, is currently under construction in the city, attracting numerous investors globally. A significant number of private individuals have invested, demonstrating strong and robust confidence in the city's future.
Number 5 on our list, the Lagos-Calabar Coastal Highway, a spine of change running from Victoria Island to Calabar. This is not a normal road. It's a 700-kilometer coastal artillery designed to unlock ports, industries, tourist corridor, and new cities along Nigeria's south shore. Work is already moving. Flyovers and other parts are being constructed. Sections have been flagged off, and the first major financing package for the opening phase was secured in 2025. So, what does this mean for Lagos and everything? First, port connectivity and the congestion. The highway linked directly to Lekki Deep Sea Port and improve access to Apapa and other cargo hubs. This means faster freight movement, lower haulage costs, and less container traffic struggling through Lagos central roads. Second, a new economic corridor. Lagos businesses will plug into a continuous coastal market that will attract manufacturing, logistic parks, and export businesses, creating jobs and lifting tax revenue back to Lagos economy. Third, real estate and urban expansion. The highway opened up land for development around Lekki and western approaches to the city. Expect property value to rise, new business districts to appear, and pressure on inner city slums to ease investment spread outward. Fourth, time saved, life changed. Commuters and goals that once crawled for hours will move faster, reduce congestion, cut operating costs for businesses, and make Lagos a more attractive destination for international investors. For Lagos, the highway is not just a stretch of road. It's a structural lever that will unclog the port artilleries, extend the city's economy, reach eastward, and help Lagos scale up from a congested megacity into a regional trade and logistic powerhouse. That's why when this coastal road wakes up, Lagos doesn't just move, it multiplies. Number 6 on our list, the Blue Line Metro Rail Mass Transit Phase 2, one of Lagos' most transformative projects currently under construction. Phase 2 will extend the Blue Line from Mile 2 all the way to Makoko, covering 14 kilometers and adding 6 brand new stations: Festac, Alakija, Trade Fair, Volkswagen, Lasso, and Makoko. It's not just a track extension, it's a complete overhaul of how Lagosians move across the mainland. Right now, major works are ongoing. New bridges at Mazamaza, Satellite, and Lasso are taking shape. Mazamaza Bridge is being demolished and rebuilt from ground up to handle the weight and safety requirements of a modern electric rail system. The new Okokomaiko depot, a massive 4,000 square meter facility, will serve as a maintenance and operation hub once this line is complete. When finished, these projects will completely change commuting in Lagos. Imagine boarding a train at Okokomaiko and reaching Marina in less than 40 minutes, bypassing traffic jam, saving hours every week, and connecting communities that were once cut out by endless congestion. It's more than just a railway, it's a lifeline for millions of people, a boost for local business, and a bold step towards turning Lagos into a true modern megacity. Number 7. Omu Creek Bridge and Road Project, a bold infrastructure in Lekki that is set to completely reshape the future of this corridor, stretching nearly 5 kilometers with a 600-meter bridge over Omu Creek. This project will finally link Songo-Tedo directly to Lekki and connect the future Lagoon Highway. Today, construction crews are hard at work reclaiming land, stabilizing weak creekside soil, and preparing the foundation for what will be a major artillery route for the fast-growing parts of Lagos. When completed, this project will slash travel time between Lekki and Lekki, ease the heavy pressure on Lekki-Ekpe Expressway, and open up vast tract of land for housing, industry, and commerce. Property value will surge, business will follow, and communities once cut out will have easy access to job, education, and services. Omu Creek isn't just a piece of infrastructure, it's a gateway to new opportunities and a major step towards building a Lagos that is more connected, more efficient, and ready for the future. Number 8. The Murtala Mohammed International Airport Expansion and Rehabilitation Project, the crown jewel of Nigerian aviation upgrade, right here in Lagos, Nigeria. This project is more than just a facelift, modernization of Nigerian business airports. Work is ongoing on a new ring road bridge that will connect the main terminal to other parts of the airport seamlessly, while contractors are rehabilitating the existing infrastructure, upgrading taxiways, apron, and terminal facilities to meet global standard. When completed, MMIA will be faster, safer, and more efficient, with improved passenger flow, better baggage handling, and smoother connectivity between domestic and international terminals. This expansion is set to double the airport capacity, cutting delay and giving millions of passengers a world-class experience. For Lagos, this project is critical. A modern international airport means more tourism, more business travel, more cargo capacity, and stronger economic ties with the rest of the world. MMIA transformation is a direct boost to Lagos' reputation as West African economic hub and a clear signal that Nigeria is open for business.
Commissioned in the year 1979, Murtala Mohammed International Airport, MMIA, in Lagos was the busiest airport and a key international gateway for Nigeria. However, as Nigeria's most important aviation transportation hub, MMIA faces numerous challenges after 50 years of operation, including an inefficient road network, outdated terminal facade and finishes, dilapidated building structure, aging equipment and machinery, a lack of direct access between the two terminal buildings, and restrictions on the development on Terminal 2. To restore the prestige of this international gateway, we are embarking on a journey of renewed hope, undertaking a systemic renovation of MMIA to bring back its former glory and elevate its status on the global stage. First, the inefficient road network will be replaced with two independent ring roads, the outer ring for departures and the inner ring for arrivals. Second, the existing structure of Terminal 1 will be strengthened to improve its integrity. The connection building will link the two terminals, and the skywalk will connect the car park to Terminal 2, ensuring seamless passenger movement within these facilities. Meanwhile, this half-century-old Terminal 1 will undergo comprehensive modernization, featuring an enhanced eagle-inspired architectural design that symbolizes a soaring and hopeful Nigeria. The upgrades will include both interior and exterior enhancements, improved passenger facilities, and advanced mechanical, electrical, and plumbing systems to enhance operations and capacity. Terminal 2 will also undergo upgrades, including refurbished platforms, enhanced canopies, expanded boarding fingers, and an enlarged apron for greater efficiency. Once completed, passengers at MMIA will enjoy a significantly enhanced travel experience. The redesigned infrastructure will provide well-organized and direct access to the terminal buildings, improving efficiency. Optimized internal circulation will ensure uninterrupted movement for arriving and departing passengers. Additionally, modernized facilities, upgraded amenities, and an aesthetically immersive environment will create a more comfortable, seamless, and enjoyable journey for all travelers. Under the Renewed Hope initiative, we're leveraging global expertise in airport engineering and cutting-edge digital systems to transform MMIA into a safer, smarter, greener, and more efficient aviation hub.
Number 9. The Lekki-Ekpe Expressway reconstruction and the Lekki Deep Seaport Access Road project. The Lekki-Ekpe Expressway is being completely rebuilt with rigid pavements, better drainage, wider lanes, and modern road furniture. This is not just a resurfacing, it's a full-scale reconstruction designed to withstand heavy traffic from industries, estates, and the ports for decades to come. Meanwhile, the new Lekki-Ekpe Deep Seaport Access Road is being constructed to connect Nigeria's first deep sea port to the national road network. This access road will ensure the smooth movement of cargo in and out of the port, cutting down turnaround time for trucks and making Lagos a more efficient hub for international trade. Together, this project will completely transform the Lekki Peninsula. Traffic congestion will ease, logistics will flow faster, and business from Dangote Refinery to countless new industries will strive with reliable access road. This is the infrastructure backbone that will carry Lagos into the next phase of growth. And finally, number 10, the Makoko sand filling and land reclamation project, one of the most ambitious and controversial urban renewal efforts in Lagos. For decades, Makoko has been seen as a floating slum, a community living on stilts over the Lagos Lagoon. It's often called the Venice of Africa, but it has also been portrayed as a symbol of poverty and other developments. The Lagos State government has now begun sand filling and reclaiming land in and around Makoko, with the goal of transforming this part of the city into a modern, livable waterfront district. Construction work is ongoing. Dredgers are pumping in sand, claiming large portion of the waterlogged land and preparing the ground for future infrastructure. When completed, this project could open up prime real estate, create new housing, schools, an hospital, and businesses, and turn a once neglected zone into a thriving urban community. But Makoko is not just land, it's home to tens of thousands of people. Their livelihood, and heritage are tied to these waters. Any transformation here must balance development with compensation, ensuring that residents are not just displaced but integrated into the new Lagos being built. If done right, the Makoko project could rewrite one of Lagos' most challenging stories, turning a global image of poverty into one of progress, resilience, and hope. This is just 10 out of several projects going on in Lagos, changing the narrative of this megacity. In future videos, we'll dive more into other projects. But before then, please like this video and share with your friends and let us know your thoughts about what you think on Lagos and how you think Lagos can do better and achieve her true potential. Before you go, I remain your boy, OZ.